Creations with Helen. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that's coming your way. If you like what you see, subscribe to me. Today I will be making some banging buttermilk biscuits, and I'm so excited to do this. This will be my first time doing this ever. Boo Thing called me up and asked me, do you know how to make buttermilk biscuits or any type of biscuits? I said, I'm up for the challenge. So that's what we will be doing today. Okay, so today these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need the Southern biscuit mix, and you're gonna need 1/4 cup of that. I poured the dry ingredients in here. You're gonna need some buttermilk, whatever buttermilk that you decide to get, and you're gonna need 1 cup or 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay, let's get right into it. As you can see, I got the biscuit mix and the buttermilk, and I'm gonna combine them both in a container. As I am by combining them both, I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna stir it in, what they call fold it in with the spoon, just for right now. But I'm gonna do like my grandmother used to do. She used to get right into it, make it with her hands. I think I'm gonna keep stirring. Flour. And you're gonna flour this down so it doesn't stick. Put it on your countertop. I already preheated the oven already, so 400 degrees, because after we fold this in, we're going to be ready to put them in the oven. Okay, you can do it. Supposed to be light and fluffy, just like this, light and fluffy, and we're just gonna fold it. Trying to make sure I get all this stuff in here. Oh, it is exactly light and fluffy. So once you do that, you're gonna cut out the biscuits with a biscuit cutter or cookie cutter, whatever you may have. You're gonna place them on an ungreased sheet. You're gonna put it in the oven at 450 and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until you see it golden brown. Once it comes out of the oven, you're gonna butter them up with a brush so it can get that nice buttery glaze type of feel. See that? making these buttermilk biscuits. out to my grandmother. She's dead now. Queen Esther Talaferro. She used to make these buttermilk biscuits or homemade biscuits when we used to get up in the morning. I guess she got up at around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. You know how older people did back in the day. But you would get up smelling the aroma, 6, 7 o'clock. Anything after that is late. She'll make these biscuits with these maple sausage or whatever sausages, and you can just, oh my God, get up out of your bed and you just want to float and just eat them. And if you was the last one there, you got the crumbs and they would just melt in your mouth. Took me a while to get up to the gang because my cousins and them would fight over the biscuits, my mom and her siblings. And I was the one, because I wasn't used to having homemade biscuits. Yeah, I wasn't. I was used to the ones in the can, and it took me a while to get used to it. But once I did, baby, eat them biscuits cold and put that sausage in it and eat it like a sandwich, and man, it just melts in your mouth. So I was so excited to do this project. Revamp the buttermilk biscuits like my grandmother. But the only thing I didn't do is do everything from scratch. It only had 2 ingredients, and these 2 ingredients cut down the whole process that you used to do the old-fashioned way, but they still turned out perfect and delicious. It's all about what? Food to the soul. You're gonna get the dough a certain texture, and once you get it out of you're gonna take the dough out the bowl. You're gonna take the dough out the bowl, and you're going to stretch it out. You're going to stretch it out and fold it. Then you're going to stretch it out and fold it. Stretch it out and fold it. It's for a couple of times until you get the dough in a nice texture, not too gooey, smooth like. And then once you do that, you're going to get flour, put it on your rolling pin, roll it all the way out, get a biscuit cutter, cookie cutter, biscuit cutter, whatever you want, and you're going to section them out, place them on an ungreased pan or a cast iron, whatever your preference is. Put it in the oven for 450 degrees. Make sure you preheat the oven while you were doing the dough. Then set it on the timer for 10 to 12 minutes. Voila, you get the magic, the mouth-watering buttermilk biscuits. And once they come out, you place butter on top of them, and they're like your grandmama used to make. So let me know below if you're going to try this recipe out, and if this is your first time, or give me some other ideas that you would like to see. Just cut that out. Leave it. Let me know below if this is something that you are going to try out. If you ever made buttermilk biscuits. This is my first time. I had fun with it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time.